Welcome back to Jay's Journey. In America right now, we are going to do something today. The agenda for the video will be full 100% American food for 24 hours. Let me give you guys a heads up for today. We'll be starting first with pizza, then after that burgers. This is a signature for American. After that, we'll be stopping with a huge steak, a tomahawk. So definitely stay tuned and keep watching. So for now, let's start first with the pizza that I said. We're at the famous Costco. And we are here for that 150 hot dog. It is a combination that has been held for over 40 years. No change in the price. So let's start first with this mega size pizza. Look at how big it is when I was holding it over my hands. After we have some cheese melt with chicken bake sandwich. It's all like a calories bomb, but who cares? It tastes so good. It's simple, it's nice, and moving on, let's move on to the next meal. It will be quite a distance as we are really taking our time to travel all the way out to hunt for a very famous local burger. But while on the way, we had hit the road for some gas, and we are here for some gas station coffee to keep our driving stamina out. And trust me, it's a very American thing because it's such a huge land, lots of traveling is done, so everybody need that caffeine, right? It's something that will definitely serve in all the petrol stations. It's a quick stop, we're gonna grab a quick cup and we'll be back on the road. So while I'm filling my coffee, I'm looking back at all the delicious food that I've ever ate in America. There's lots of meat cuisines, and I would say that American food is evolving every day, constantly, because there's constantly new immigrations that's being there. And Americans are very open to new food. Thus, their food is evolving every single time. And of course, the best part is they really love to do fusion food. Not as much as Asian though, but American like to make it their style. So it will become a sweeter version, like curry that will come here will be less spicy and more sweet. Same for Italian food or even Japanese, everything will be sweet here. Of course, that includes the coffee. Over here, lots of sweet different flavors for the coffee is definite here in America. So here we are at the famous burger shops. It's something cool that I would really love to show is a lettuce wrap burger. There's no bun, just meat, cheese, and fresh lettuce. A low-carb version of a classic American burger, and surprisingly is really good and less heavy. And now we're at the main event for this entire video, a classic American steakhouse. Let's start first with something that is astonishing, a deep fried onion flour. They have cut it so that it's split openly like a bosom, and every single petal is very crispy. Dipping it down with the famous cheese sauce, and it is awesome. This is our main dish, the tomahawk steak. And if you actually notice, the portion is massive. It's like auto extra large for everything. I'm going for a medium cook. So let's start first with the outer layer. It's definitely cooked a little bit above medium as it's near the fire, but nevertheless, it is still awesome. Look at how tender is this meat. The meat just slices off gently when I cut it. It reminds me of the great steaks I had in Turkey, but of course the size is much bigger. Look at the size of this bone, it is really massive. It is definitely larger than my entire arm, and my knife just looks so tiny comparing to it when I was cutting it. As it is so thick, at the middle of the meat, it is what I love, medium cook. It's definitely much more rare versus the meat out of the steak, and this is how I love it. The deeper the cut, the more tender it and more flavored. And mixing with some sauce, which is of course definitely sweet, it will enhance the flavor to the next level. Adding sauce is something you must do in America because this is something that will make the food sweet, enhance the flavor into American version. Let's go for the carb intake. We have got this massive load potato, mixing it with cheese and ground beef. Let's mash it up real good to make sure that everything is mixed well. And this is the end result. Super rich, super satisfying. It is a very nice bite. Following up, let's have some grilled chicken breast with some sweet sauce, of course. And we'll be adding it with some fried fish. This entire meal is so full of protein. Now we are looking back from the start of the video, that massive pizza that we had, to this giant steakhouse meal. American really doesn't hold back. Everything here is big, is huge, is heavy, and honestly, it's really satisfying. Do you enjoy the meal? Be sure to subscribe to the video for more food vibe and travel adventures.